Hello everyone, welcome back to Tieb Collectibles. Tonight I have for you the 2018 Volkswagen drag truck. This one was a mail-in car for 2018. It is number 5 for the year. Usually, like I've said before, they do 6. This one was number 5 for 2018. Oh wow, I can't remember where this one came from either. Part of me wants to say this was a Target mail-in. I believe this one came from Target. But, alright, let's get into it. First off, Spectre Flame red on the sides. Real Rider tires. They are 5 stars inside. Hard to see with the light. A little too much glare this time. I don't want to get too close, I don't want it to go out of focus, but the back rim's just like the front rim, just a little bigger, a little deeper. It's a deep dish rim. Get that out of the way real quick. Metal base, rubber tires, metal chassis. I do have one of not this specific one, but I do have another one that's open. It's one of the holiday cars. So if you want to go scroll through my videos, you can see what this looks like open. That's the back. I guess it's supposed to be a rocket powered VW. I guess you could say Spectre Flame black on the top, unless this one is flat. Actually, this one looks like it's flat black. So yeah, they did flat black on the top, Spectre Flame red on the sides with your Hot Wheels livery. There's your nose. See, Hot Wheels livery on the side, number 5 in the back left. Volkswagen drag truck. 2018 was their 50th anniversary. That's why all your 2018 cars will have this emblem here on them. Back of the package, for those that like reading the back. It's the usual Hot Wheels Collector Club information, pictures of the bus, or pictures of the VW from all angles. This one's actually a pretty heavy one also. Some of them are heavier than others. This one's a heavier one. The inside is pretty neat. There is an engine in there and a real seat. I think it opens towards the front, I want to say. No, it opens towards the back. I believe this one opens towards the back. The front tips up. And there's a seat in the middle, an engine behind it. It's actually pretty neat inside. That's why I bought the 2 of the holiday cars, so I can open one. But once again, thank you for watching. This was the Volkswagen drag truck from 2018. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. You can also follow me on Instagram at Tieb Collectibles, all one word. Hope you enjoyed this one. There will be some more to come. Until the next time, happy hunting.